Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can pin elements on your Wix website to the screen. So let us dive into this now. Let me explain what I mean by that. So let me navigate to that example page here on my Wix website through the editor. If I, for example, browse and scroll through that page here, up and down, you will see that this element has been pinned to the screen. It means basically that it doesn't change its positioning on the screen. This is how you can do it, guys. Right click into the given element, and after that, or let me just unpin this one here. What you want to do is select pin settings, unpin this element. So now it has been unpinned. So what you want to do is right click into it, select pin to screen, and choose a position here. You may position the pinned element to the top of your screen, top right corner, center, bottom left, so on and so forth. And also select the vertical and horizontal offset in pixels here. I will leave it just like that. And that's basically it. Click off. And now, guys, the pinned element will keep its position no matter where you browse or scroll through your page. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.